Planner is the one app you need for your individual tasks and your team projects. Bring together your to-dos, plans, and projects into a single app. As projects become more complex, you may need more advanced features to keep up with your team's needs. That's why we offer easy ways for users to upgrade within Planner. Today, we'll be showcasing how you can easily start a trial to test out our premium features. Let's get started by opening the Create New dialog. Some options will be logged. You can get access to these options with a premium license. These premium options offer advanced features such as Copilot, Timeline, Goals, and more. For example, let's click into the Sprint Planning template. Since we don't have a premium license, we'll see a Start Free Trial button. Clicking on it will take us to a page with more information about the trial and the premium license. Click the Start Free Trial button to begin the 30-day premium trial and unlock the premium features. Let's click in and create from the Sprint Planning template. Now that we've created a premium plan, we can explore some of the advanced features. The Sprint Planning template lands us on the Sprints view, which is designed for teams using Agile methodology. It allows you to prioritize tasks into time-boxed periods so you can move your project forward in a focused and efficient way. We can then navigate to the Timeline view, which is a powerful premium feature that helps teams visualize progress and estimate completion dates. We can also easily mark dependencies between tasks in this view. Another premium feature is custom fields. This feature allows you to add additional fields to your tasks and customize your task structure to fit your team's needs. There are many other features you can access with a premium license, such as Copilot, Tasks Conversations, Mentions, People View for easy resource management, the Goals View for setting and tracking goals, and more. In conclusion, Planner offers easy ways for you to upgrade as your needs grow. With a premium license, you can access premium capabilities that will help you stay on top of your projects and collaborate more effectively with your team. Thank you for watching and try out a free trial today.